Hi. Hi, from a new background. What's this? Oh my god, have you ever seen this bed before? No, I don't think so. Hello everyone. Oh my god, I should be a little bit more quiet. Olivia's on the phone to her mum. Let me just plop you down here. Firstly, I need to address, I've cut my lip, so yeah, it's not cute, it's not a vibe. It's been like this for 3 days. Don't want to talk about it, very sensitive topic. Did it in my sleep. If that isn't self-destruction at its finest, I really don't know what is. I have moved. If you didn't know, I have been in the process of moving. Not that it's been the only content on my channel for the last month or so, which I hope you guys are okay with. I mean, I think you're enjoying it, so I really don't know what to say. Every time I look out of this window, I get really teary-eyed. Oh my god. No, we're not gonna cry, we're not gonna cry. I am such a I really need to just get over it. I've been in this place for like a day now. I'm in the flat. If you didn't know, I've moved in with my lovely friend Olivia. I'm sure you all know who she is. We moved in officially yesterday. We had the most hectic day yesterday. I did vlog some bits of yesterday, about half the day, so I'm going to actually, do you know what, I'll just put that all here. I'm moving out today. I haven't mentioned that. I've also got all over my screen. It kind of looks like frosting. Could be, to be fair. I am moving out today and I'm not even really I am prepared. I lie. I'm prepared. I say that. Only I would leave my bedroom in this much of a mess moving out. Have I got my Fitbit charger? Why is that the most like grandma sentence to ever come out of my mouth? Bye bye old room. See you, I don't know, probably before Ibiza when I need to come back and get my bikinis. Of course, we have the Facebook photo shoot event. Do you want to say hi?
No.
For one of the last times?
No.
I don't see any tears yet.
I'm trying not to.
I'm quite disappointed.
You're leaving your village.
Road trip.
I'm really excited for your new life, but I can't pretend that I'm happy about losing my floss.
I'm in the ghetto.
I'm in the right place.
I'm here with Olivia. Say hi. She hasn't said hi to the vlog yet. We've had a bit of a stress, but I'll explain it all later. But we've had this really fun delivery at our, oh god, from Crosstown Donuts at our door, but I'm not sure who it's from. I feel like we're showing our address. Oh my god, yeah. I was like, delivery. Is that wine? Oh my god, for the wine fridge. Oh wait, there's a, I don't know. Oh. A gift for you. Congrats on the new place. Welcome to London. Love, Lucy from Gleam. That's Lucy. What's this? Oh, a candle. Oh my god. It smells like salted caramel. Oh, delicious. Right, I'll let you do the honours. Oh, really? Yeah. Okay. Oh my god, stop. Oh, I'm getting diabetes looking. Oh my god. Oh, see ya. How gorgeous. And they're all vegan as well. Yeah. Thank you, Gleam. We love you. We are all moved in. I don't want to show you too much of the flat because I am gonna, oh, sorry. Hey girl. Sorry. I am gonna do a flat tour, so just bear with me for that. I didn't mention, but we're in IKEA. Hi guys. I don't have yeah, this dress is really been through it today. So that was yesterday. We had the craziest day ever. I was literally up from like 6 AM till 3 in the morning because I was so desperate to unpack all my clothes and stuff. But we're pretty sort of, well, we're not pretty, well, we've got a lot of stuff unpacked. We've got like the essentials like toaster, kettle. I kind of want to keep this flat a little bit of a secret. I'm going to do a full dedicated a flat / apartment tour. I could not be more happy. I went to sleep last night and the view is just ridiculous. I'll show you it right now in the daylight. This is the view from one of my windows. How incredible. Like, wow, you can actually see the river there. How gorgeous. And then look, like literally this is all moving stuff that I need to sort out. And then this is my other view. I made myself a cup of tea last night, but I fell asleep before I could even drink it. Do you think it would be nice cold? Is this gross? Not bad. Not bad, or do I just have low standards? I even lit a candle last night, one of my special candles. This is apple honey butter. Oh my god, so delicious. Today we're just going to be doing some homeware shopping. We're going to go to H&M home, I think, Zara home. You guys know I'm a Zara girl through and through. Zara clothes, Zara homeware. give me all of it. This mattress is also the most uncomfy thing. Like, I'm not being funny, man, but like, look at this. Look at the bounce on it. Oh, okay, that makes it look like it's got a bit of bounce. But I promise you, this mattress, man, is like lying on a rock. So I'm going to be getting a new mattress. I've kind of unpacked my wardrobe as well. There's so much stuff I want to show you, but oh God, oh, accidentally showed you. Woo, sneak peek. There's so much stuff I want to show you, but I know I need to wait. I also haven't shaved my armpits. Probably gonna have to blur that out. One thing I will show you though, because I just really can't wait. Oh my God, look at her. Isn't she gorgeous? Too stressed to be blessed, love. Wait, what? Too blessed to be stressed, love. Period. We are in the mothership. Do you know what? I actually think this is the first ever Zara home I've ever been into, but oh my God, the textures, the linens, the vibes, immaculate. I'm really loving these pillows. Olivia, what do you think of these cushions? I feel like Olivia would hate them. I think they're sweet. They're kind of like Italian.
I just feel like I like song colour, but that's me on basic.
Yeah.
With anything I say.
Olivia's going for like kind of a sage. Have I already got like makeup?
No.
Oh no, that's just my nose. Olivia going for like a sage green kind of vibe. I'm actually gonna get, I'm gonna get my bed sheets from here, and I'm actually getting them as a birthday present for my 19th birthday from my nan. Wow, she's really mature and getting bed sheets as a birthday present. We are back from shopping. I got some things. I'm undecided. Do I show them? I'll show you a few. I'll show you a few because I want to do like kind of a whole dedicated room video. I mean, I really can't contain my excitement because it's all very, very nice. We went into H&M Home and then also Zara Home, and I got some bed sheets from Zara Home. I'm just gonna like skim over the stuff. Oh, I can show you this. I got this beautiful dress from Urban Outfitters. How cute. I need to try this on actually. I should probably try it on before I eat food. I got some washing up liquid, yay, and that is the end of my haul. Okay, joking. I got a mirror, something that looks like that, and something that's wrapped up, which I'm not gonna lie, I actually can't remember what that is. I'm not gonna lie, a bit of time has passed. It is currently 10:30 and we're going out for some drinkies. Oh, okay, we found it. We found the new spot to show the outfit. My blazer is from Zara. I've got a little black slip dress on underneath from Topshop. My little shoulder bag. And just some Air Force shadows because you can take the girl out of the basic, but you can't take the basic out of the girl. Let's go see what Olivia's wearing. Ooh. Olivia, do you want to show us what you're wearing? Oh, how cute, yay. I don't want to show too much of her bedroom because the transformation will be coming.
This is from Urban Outfitters, I got it today. And this is Flossie. From Flossie's closet. And you know me.
The Balenciagas, of course.
The Wumper Stomper.
It's like a banana. That don't taste like vodka. Next one. Lights are on, aka the time you take a long, hard look at yourself in the mirror. Queen of taking it too far on a Tuesday night.
Took him to the crib, now I pushed him on the sofa. Had his breath smelling like pussy and mimosa. And then went into the beat it up. And then we were gonna see.
Oh, yeah, girl, get into it. Get into it. Get into it, girl.
Get it to it. Oh wow. Wait, let me burp.
Do you guys need takeaway cups or are you doing?
I can't burp, never mind.
This is Josh, by the way, one of my best friends.
You can't put this in.
Yeah, I can.
If I say something really offensive, you can't. Get it, do it on.
That was so highly offensive, Josh. What the fuck do you think you're doing?
Today I'm going to be filming a video where I unbox my £1,000 mystery box from eBay.
Oh boy, it looks like evil as shit.
What is wrong with this boy?
Meat chucky nugget, fillet o fish. Who the fuck is a fillet o fish? Fillet o fish.
Emma.
Emma.
It's 5 AM and we're going to watch the sunset.
You ended your vlog 10 times.
Flossie, give it up.
You ended it 10 times. You were like, alright, bye.
Come on, zoom on front camera.
Bye, guys.